Oh, look at all these! It even comes with a tea bag. It even says, let's party. So I have a bowl of water so I can put it in here so it can dissolve. Let's see it go into dissolve. It's already going. There's a disc here. This one of Sue's. Let's wash them off in the water so then they won't be dirty from the tea bag because it's a little slimy when it opens. Oh, and look! It's a fizzing cube. Let's see if it's still a surprise if we put it in the water. Whoa! There's so many bubbles. Everything's dissolved. Oh, look! These are bracelets. You might need a tissue when you're doing this because your hands will get glittery and dirty and slimy. And now let's take out this and the shoes. Look, there's a mystery bag. Maybe this is where the doll is. Wow, look at this doll. It comes with super glasses. Maybe she's a dancer because look at the dress. Maybe we should put it on so she looks cute. And also her hair is so soft and she has waves and she can move around and her legs can move and she can do splits. And her hands can move and her head can move. And she has a little toe on her ponytail. Let's put the dress on. Please squeeze it in and squeeze it more until you get it. And then you can put it for the arms. Let's put the shoes on. Wait, I hear some more things. Let's see what we can find. Whoa! Look at this. What could this be? Let's see what's inside here. This is cotton candy dough. If you smell it, it smells so good. Let's see if there's anything else. Nope. Let's open this one. It's a little teapot. You can clip this off and clip this on. And she can have tea if she wants. Look, these are little tea decorations. Oh, and you're supposed to make the cake out of this. So if you can make the cake however you want. You can make it really tall, you can make it short. And then when you're done, you take one of these strings and then you just cut them. Or if you just want one, just put it in there. Oh look, there's a collector's manual. So I got sweet tea. I can mark it in the circle later. And these are the other dolls you can get in the big teacup. I'm going to place sweet tea here she can stand here whenever she wants to watch things. So like if she wants to see the stars, and I made her cake and she can have a little tea party. Bye.